How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Australia. I live in Australia.
How do you do? How do you do?
Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm going to drink water. I'm going to drink water.
What happened, Ramesh? What happened, Ramesh?
Nothing, teacher. Nothing, teacher.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I live come here to meet my cousin. I live come here to meet my cousin.
Where do you study? Where do you study?
I'm a student at Delhi University. I'm a student at Delhi University.